Hey everyone, welcome back to Herbster Games. In today's video, I will show you how to set up Android mobile notifications in Unity. A prerequisite for setting up Android mobile notifications is to install the Mobile Notifications package into your Unity project. There are two ways to do that. The first option is to start a project as a 2D, or 3D, or AR, mobile project. It will include the necessary packages in your project right away. If you did not start the project as a mobile project, you will need to install that package from the Package Manager. Under the Unity registry in Package Manager, download the Mobile Notifications package. After that, you will be ready for this tutorial. Before we dive into the tutorial, make sure to smash that like button, share this tutorial, and hit subscribe for more awesome tutorial videos. Now, let's begin. In our new project, go to Build Settings and switch the target platform to Android. That allows us to build and run the game on our mobile phones. Next, create a MobileManager game object and attach a new script called MobileManager. In the script, we need to have the manager create a new notification channel. Our notifications will be using this newly created channel to put itself on. On the channel, we need to specify the ID, name, importance, and description. The ID, name, and description can all be anything you want, but remember the channel's ID will also be for each notification to call on when deciding which channel it needs to be put on. As for the importance, we would use the default for the example, but there are 4 options: none, low, default, and high. None is a notification with no importance. It does not show in the shade. Low is to be shown everywhere, but is not intrusive with sound. The default is to show it everywhere, and make noise, but not intrude visually. High is to have the notification everywhere, makes noise, and is shown on the screen. Once the settings on the channel are all set, register it on the Android Notification Center. Then, create the method for notify. Set its title, text, and fire time. The title and the text will be what is on the notification itself, and fire time is used to set up the exact time that needs to be shown. Once those are set up, send the notification to the Android Notification Center, and specify which channel we are sending the notification to, especially when we have more than one channel set up. Back on the UI, add a button on the screen. We are using the Text Mesh Pro version of the text, so we need to install the TMP Essentials for it to function correctly. Make the button more visible on the screen. Change the button's width and height, and position the button to the middle of the screen. Then, make the text auto size and its max size to 140. Attach the Notify method of the MobileManager script onto the button as an on-click event. Build the project and run it on your Android mobile device. This is how it would look on the phone. Once we click the Notify button, the notification will show on our notification bar. Notification is a great way to grab users' attention, deliver timely updates, and drive user engagement and retention. When used thoughtfully and strategically, notifications can enhance the overall user experience. If you found this video helpful and want more tutorial videos like this, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more Unity tutorials. Let me know if there is any topic you would like me to cover, and I will try to incorporate that into our tutorial videos. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!